key to running a good report is to have an understanding of how to filter the data. So um, I'll just bring up an individual page. I've got an example one here, and what you can see on the various fields there is a couple of key ones. For the purposes of this report, the key fields will be their carding number. Sorry, I'm at home, my internet's a bit slow. The carding number here, and the carding level, and the fact that their status is active. So they're the things that I'll play around with. So if I click back here on individuals again, that refreshes this window here on the left. What you often have to do when you do a report is to change this folder at the top. We don't have to do it this time, but particularly if you wanted to look at strategies, you will need to change that top folder. So anyhow, for individuals, we want to do a quick segment. The segment that we want to do first is that the card level is one of level 1, level 2, level 3 or level 4, and that'll filter the list to just carded athletes level 1, 2, 3 or 4. Then the second thing we'll do is we'll just combine that quick segment with another one, which is down the bottom here, status next is equal to active. So we get a little screen that pops up that just tries to clarify that we have done this correctly, and I expect the list that we just had to get smaller. The card level is one of level 1, 2, 3 or 4, and the status is active. That sounds like it's what we want, so I'm going to click next and finish, and here is our list. The thing that is missing from what you've tried so far, I would expect, is this step here, which is you need to click on the word individuals right here. Click, and what it does is it pulls all the data on that left hand window across to the main part of the screen. I then will just add a couple of fields for you, for example email, mobile, and perhaps date of birth. And once I've done that, tidy that up a little bit. The list now becomes a little bit more complete. What I will do is just export it to Excel. Better use your correct name. That would help. And as you can see there, it's exporting 469 items, so each one of those will be an athlete, and I will send that file down to you. So that's the process that I went through to get that report out.